Hello, today we're going to be talking about the topic of amortization tables. My name is Sonia and I'm going to explain the first part. So in this case we have a house that costs 1,300,000 pesos. So this is the initial cost of the house, and to this we're going to subtract the down payment. And in this case, they're telling us that the down payment is of 0.22%. So the first step will be to get the 0.22% of this quantity and then subtract it from this quantity again. So as I mentioned before, the first step consists on subtracting from the initial quantity the 0.22 initial down payment, which is 286,000. That gives you a total of 1,014,000. This new quantity that you got from the step 1 will become your amount. And you will need these to find R that later on will help you with the amortization table. So this will be our original formula utilizing the amount, but for amortization tables, when they don't give you the regular payment, then you need to find it, and this is called finding R. And for finding R, we have to modify this formula a little bit, and then we will end up with R equals to amount divided by all of this. So in this third step, we'll be substituting the values into the formula we previously learned. So we'll start with the amount, which was 1,014,000 divided by parentheses 1 plus rate of interest, which is in this case is 0.985 divided by what our payment is compounded by, which would be regular payments every month, so that will be monthly, which will give you 12. To all of this to minus the number of payments, and the number of payments is how it's compounded and how many years we'll be doing this regular payment, and that will be 8 years. So 8 times 12, and all of this again divided by again the rate of interest and how it is compounded. And there we go. This is how we find R. So in step 4, we're finally going into amortization tables. And the first column of an amortization table is the number of payments. In this case, we have 96 payments. How do we know that? Because is what we're compounding it for, which will be 12 months, 12, which is monthly payments, by for 8 years. So 12 times 8 gives you 96 payments.
Well, in this second column, we have the result of R in the that we get in the previously steps. So we put R in the 96 times of the number of payments. And to get in the third column, we have the interest. And to calculate this is with the amount, that is 1,014,000, times the rate of interest, that is 9.85%, divided by the compounded, that is monthly, that is 12, and we get 8,000 323.25, and well, we are going to do this in the 96 numbers of payments. To get the fourth column, that is the amortization, you need to subtract the payment minus the interest, and that gives you this number.
Finally, to get the balance, we have to subtract the amount minus amortization to get this. And then we repeat it until 96. And in the last number, we get 0.